Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are starting a new week of what's sold on eBay and Mercari. Today is January the 29th, I believe. It's on a Sunday. I think so. Maybe, no, it is the 29th. But anyway, so I'm coming on here because I have two orders that are going out, one from eBay and one from Mercari. Now we're going to start with Mercari. Mercari, I just went on a send offer spree yesterday and I've sent so many offers to so many people. There is one person that did accept my offer, and this person is getting the Star Wars Han Solo a little miniature ornament. Now I've had sold probably two of these already, and this is actually my last one. This is 2021. It is still wrapped and everything, so I'm not going to take it out, but he is very tiny, and he's super cute. But this was actually, I actually looked at all my prices on Mercari and was wondering why it's not moving fast enough, and for some reason this was set at a very high price, and I only paid $1.83 for this. And then Jared, open the door. And then I noticed that on Mercari it was set to like $15, which is crazy, so expensive. So I actually just sent an offer for $7, which is totally fine for me because that is just getting inventory out and letting me move inventory in for my death pal. But anyway, so yes, this sold for $7 after I sent an offer for $7. Now the next one is, I'm super excited about this because I actually bought this back in March of last year at a citywide yard sale, and this was actually $5 that I picked up, and it is this cute little Hello Kitty piggy bank. So as you can see right here, cute little Hello Kitty, and it does have a little chip on the nose, as you can see right here, and I did put that in the description. I set this at $20 because that is what the going rate was $20, and there was so many watchers, you guys. There was probably, I think the last time I saw it was like 42 watchers, and that was crazy. And I was constantly, every time I get a new watcher, I would send an offer, whether it be $18, $17. I even went down to $15 before, and nobody wanted this after I sent an offer. And last night somebody bought this for $20. $20 is what my asking price was. I am going to message them today just to make sure that they did read the description, to make sure that they are okay with the nose being chipped. But anyways, so that is one of the items, the only item that sold on eBay. It sold for $20, like I said. It was a promoted item. I did promote it at I don't remember how much percent. It's probably like 4.8% is usually what I go for. And so that is going to be taken off, but the buyer is, for both items, the buyer is going to be paying for shipping, which is good on our part. This one's going to be probably about $3.82, and then this one is going to be a glass, so hopefully it's still going to be under a pound, but I'm not sure. I'm going to wrap this really well. But anyway, so that is it for Monday, and I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Sunday and we have two sales that are going to be going out right now. These actually came in on Saturday, but I have been gone all day yesterday. I went to the spa, I went to the casino. I had literally a great girls' day with my friends. So I went ahead and I wasn't going to package anything when I got home really late last night. So I'm here on Sunday and I'm going to show you guys what sold, and they are both from eBay. So the first one that sold was this toilet roll talker. It is a prank, and essentially you just put it on your roll toilet paper, and then whenever you pull it out, it'll like start talking to you, which was pretty cool. I actually bought this as one of our saran wrap game that we do on Christmas every year, but it was too bulky to wrap it in saran and make it into like a ball form, if you know what I'm talking about. So I decided that we're not going to put it in. I've had this for maybe a year or so. So I decided to just go ahead and list it. Maybe it'll sell and maybe it won't. If not, then that's totally fine. So this actually sold for $13 and I listed it for $13. And the buyer is going to be paying for shipping, which is going to be roughly around $4 or so. It's pretty lightweight. It's just going to go in a poly mailer. But yeah, so $13, and I have no idea how much I paid for this. I think it was probably $3 maybe. It was on regular price that when I bought it because, again, we were going to use it for the saran wrap game. So yeah, but this is the first item that sold, $13. $3 turned into $13. The next one, I can't remember where I got this from. I think I got it at the Goodwill. So it is a Santa Claus doll. It is a music box Santa doll, and it's 14 inches. It was purchased in 1992, or not purchased, but it was made in 1992. It's by the brand Fabric Craft. But yeah, so I got this for $1.99 at the Goodwill, and it does have a little spots right here on his little belly, if you can see, but I did enclose that in the listing, so hopefully they read my description before they purchased. So this was originally $15, and that was the going rate of the sold comps whenever I checked it. But somebody sent me an offer for $11, and I went ahead and accepted it. Just to, you know, like I always say, I always accept offers. Unless they're like really, really lowballing offers, I don't accept it. But if it's a reasonable price offer, then I'll go ahead and accept it just so I can get inventory out and move more inventory in. But yeah, so this is cute. I don't know what they use this for. I think, you know, you just put an outfit on them and they can be on display during holidays. I really don't know. I have sold another doll. It wasn't Santa, it was just a regular, like, kind of looking like a Barbie doll that I sold for $20 last year. And it's the same brand and everything, so I really don't know. Like, I'm guessing these are popular. I have no idea. If somebody in my comments want to comment on what they do with these, I would be very grateful for you. Because I would love to learn also. But anyways, so like I said, this was $15. I think I paid $2 for this, and I turned it into $11. So that is it for Sunday, and of course I will be coming on sooner or later for the next sale, and I hope y'all have an amazing Sunday. Hey guys, so it is currently Thursday and we actually have 2 orders. Now I haven't filmed since probably Sunday, maybe Saturday. I did get 1 order in on Tuesday, and I'm going to actually show you that also. And then I got an order in from yesterday from eBay. And I was just, to be honest, I was just too lazy to film. And I actually have off of Mercari, you have 3 days to ship the item, and tomorrow is going to be the 3rd day. And so I just went ahead and I was going to wait until I got some offers in from eBay, because I did send some offers in last night and I actually got a sale early this morning. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the Mercari one, and this is actually 2 things of yarn, and it is by the brand Red Heart. There's a purple one, and then there's like a really pretty like blue pink, kind of like a baby colors. So I actually got this at a little Boy Scout church function sometime last year, and I actually just listed this a couple of weeks ago, literally in January. So I've had this for maybe September or so, and I finally listed it. This is my first time selling yarn, and I think I did pretty good. I did list this for $11, and then I did turn on my offers, and somebody offered me $8, and I went ahead and accepted it. They already paid for shipping, which shipping should be less than a pound. So it's usually around either, I'm trying to think, it's usually around like $6 if it's a pound. And then if it's under a pound, like maybe half an ounce, it'll be like $4.37 or something like that. So that is the first sale for Mercari. Now the second sale is actually from eBay, and this one is this cute little floral tin. It is red, has flowers, It is made in England. I think it was like a tea canister or something like that. So I actually got this up in Huntsville sometime last year. It was in June, or it was in July when I got this, but I did not post this until probably around October or so, and it finally sold. I actually had a couple of watchers, and I sent this sent the offer out. So originally I posted this for $9.90, and then I sent offers out for, I believe, $7.25, and somebody accepted it, and then they paid for shipping, which shipping is going to be less than £1 as well. And so in all, the total cost for them was around $13 or so. So that is actually a pretty good deal for them, because I did send the offers out. Instead of paying $9.90 plus shipping, they paid an even $13 and so because I sent a $7.25 offer. But yeah, so this finally sold. And yeah, so those are actually my two items. So this pin and then the yarn from Mercari. And that is it for pretty much this whole week. We still have Friday and Saturday, so I'm going to hopefully list some stuff. I listed a ton of Hallmark stuff, so I'm super excited about that. They had 90% off the Hallmark store with the ornaments and everything. So I picked up a lot of the Game of Thrones, Saved by the Bell, Zach Morris, and then also like the Star Wars, I think it's the Mandalorian series. Or the Return of Jedi, something like that. Can't remember what the label said, but I did list all of that on my Mercari and my eBay. So that is pretty exciting as well. I do have a Death Pal growing that I need to get rid of. So I'm determined to actually list some stuff on this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So hopefully, but I'm also doing taxes Saturday. But anyways, so I will see you guys on the next sale. Hey guys, so it is Friday, and happy Friday. I'm coming on here because we do have one sale that is going to be going out, and that is from eBay. So today we sold this Nintendo 3DS, I believe. Yeah, it's Nintendo 3DS. Case is a traveling case. It's small. It does have some little markings. Some of the fabric came off, and then it's been very well used. I listed this for $9, and somebody paid $9, plus they are going to be paying for shipping, which is roughly going to probably be around $3.82, $4 maybe. But yeah, so it is very small. I think I listed this sometime last year, most likely, probably towards the end of the year. And it finally sold. Like I said, there is some little scuff marks right there and then on the back, but it's pretty much in good condition. And also, I didn't put this in the description, but it actually has a Nintendo DS, like the stylus pen in it. So they're going to be pretty surprised that they have that included, because I just literally just found out that it's in there. But anyway, so that is it. This profit, as I said, $9. And yeah, so I hope y'all have a great rest of Friday night, and hopefully I will see you guys on Saturday. And if not, if I do not have a sale on Saturday, then I'm just going to end the video right here, and I hope y'all have an amazing weekend.